What up, YouTube? It's been forever and a day since I made a video. I said that in my last video too, and it had been. Last you saw had a white 2012 Jetta Mark 6. I since traded that in on a Mark 6 GTI, and I picked up another Mark 4 Jetta, like my old black one if you guys are familiar with it, as a daily to just try to keep some miles off of it for work and stuff. Well, I don't have to tell you too long. Once you got a little bit more of a car you don't really mind beating up as bad, you don't mind throwing a little bit of crap in there, turns into a project car like the rest of them do. So nonetheless, last few months I've been working on stereos on this thing, and I've decided to do DB Drag Street Trunk and Mecha Trunk 1 for this year. Kind of getting back into competing full time. It's been pretty fun so far. I've been hitting a lot of shows in Lafayette up at Soundcheck Customs. Been to Slimology and all the like. So started this year with 2 Crossfire C7 15s on 4 audio pipe APMI 1500s. I'd wire them up to 1 ohm daily and then down to 1/4 for burping. But I've since kind of upgraded my stuff. I just got actually all this stuff in today. We've got 2 Sundown Zv3 15s. These are dual ones. Again, I do the same thing, wire them up for daily, down for burping. It's a side fire ported aero box. I'll show you guys here. I don't know how well it'll turn out with the light on the right side there, but also got a B2 Zero.7. I actually just got this yesterday also and just loaded the subs today. I originally had a pair of Zv3 15s built with basically Zv3 top half, since they're better for high frequency stuff. But I got them in dual 2s and realized in retrospect with buying 2 amps to get back to 1/4 it wouldn't have been that cost effective and stuff. So decided to just let them go and go back to something off the shelf. Zv3 15s takes a lot less time to get those. I don't have to wait for them to be made and everything. So of course the 0.7's got 3 1-odd inputs, power and ground. Got a relay for turning on. These are the RCA's from the front head unit. These are the RCA's from my burp deck, which is this harness over there. Got the wiring kind of gajangered together right now for the speakers, but it'll do. It's a really nice amp. It seems to be built really well. It's got really nice RCA inputs, like a Tiffany style or whatever they're called. Right now I've got an 8-inch aero port in the side, and some of the previous installments of this stereo, if you will, I had been using an 8 3/4 inch Psycho port adjustable. That will likely end up back in here, but I just had to throw a box in here after making some box mods to my other version of this box, and they didn't go so well, so I chucked it and threw this one back in a couple days ago. So just kind of wanted to give an update on the stereo. Not going to do demos or anything on this right now, but I'll hopefully do that soon, make a little demo video of all this. So far with the C7s, that's really the only thing I've got to test to much extent so far in here. So far the best I've had is a 152.6 posted DB Drag and Street Trunk 5K. So again, that's under 5,000 clamped. And in Mecha Trunk 1 I've actually only done 1 or 2 shows, and I think the best I've done in it's like a 51.3. With my cone area and that, I'm allowed like 3,600 watts or so. So hopefully, you know, kind of getting a little more motivation lately again. I can start to work on this box more, get this other port in there, maybe do another coat of resin on the inside of the box, and start to work on it some. But just want to make a little update video. Hopefully we'll have a little more. Been wanting to do some more content on this than I've been able to lately. So hopefully I can do that and give you guys a little demo video, or maybe a little show coverage or something of it in the lanes here shortly. So thanks.